My name is Srujan and you are watching Technical Pull-Up YouTube channel. Today we are gonna install the Xiaomi.EU ROM on our Redmi 8 device. So before starting this video, I'm gonna show you that this video is uploaded for an user. Let me show you that user once again. So as you can see here, someone commented on our video that please tutorial install ROM Chinese. So we commented that video coming soon, please wait. So that username is limit_x7v. So that user has requested that we need to upload the China ROM installation tutorial on our Redmi, on our Mi or Redmi or Poco device. But we have currently the Redmi 8 device, but sadly there are no China ROM for this device. Yes, there are but the latest update 12.5.1 Chinese ROM is blocking it to able to install, so you can't install it on our Indian Redmi 8. But if you have a Chinese Redmi 8, you can install the Chinese ROM, but sadly we can't install that. But today we are gonna install the China ROM only, but with English language support. Yes, my friends, today we are gonna install the Xiaomi.EU ROM. Yes, my friends, today we are gonna install the Xiaomi.EU ROM. So let me show you that ROM here. So today we are, as you can see here, Xiaomi.EU ROM 12.0.3.0. This is a Xiaomi.EU ROM for our Redmi 8 device, and today we are gonna install. This is like a Chinese ROM only. It has the Chinese ROM features also, but it has the English language, which in China ROM you won't get it here in the China ROM. So that is very good thing, and we're gonna install it on our Redmi 8 device, the Xiaomi.EU ROM. So before continuing this procedure, I'm gonna warn you that please take the backup of your phone. If you have Redmi series, Mi series, Poco series, whichever Xiaomi phone you have, please take a backup of it, because all the data is gonna be wiped. Okay guys, all data like your apps, contacts, files, settings, everything is gonna be vanished. So please take the backup. So I'm gonna show you how to take a backup here. Go into settings, click on about phone, and then go to backup and restore. And as you can see, you can backup to mobile device, as you can see, like this, or you can backup to a computer. There are procedures given here to backup and to restore. So backup it with whichever service you have, like Google account, whichever account you have, guys. Okay, so let's get started. So I have TWRP recovery installed here. Note, before installing any Xiaomi.EU ROM or China ROM, please unlock your bootloader and install the TWRP. If you don't know how to unlock bootloader and install TWRP, you can check out in YouTube how to do it in the English language. So we are gonna upload that video very soon. So please stay tuned to our channel by subscribing down below. Okay. So let's get started now. First, we need to boot into TWRP recovery. That is simple. Go into settings, about phone, and go into system update. Click on the MIUI 12 logo several times, and additional update features are on. You should get this kind of message. Click on here. Click on reboot to recovery mode. I have TWRP recovery, but if you use Orange Fox recovery also, you can install it, but that will be a very different procedure. So if you have TWRP, you can install, but if you have another recovery also, you can install. As you can see, our phone bootloader is unlocked here. So our bootloader is unlocked, and as you can see, TWRP logo, it showed here. We are successfully booted into TWRP recovery, just like that. So this is the TWRP recovery. As you can see, let me increase the brightness here once a moment. Okay, this is the TWRP recovery here. and today we are going to install the Xiaomi.EU ROM. First, what you need to do, so the step number 1 to install Xiaomi.EU ROM is to click on wipe, advanced wipe, Davik, data, cache, system, vendor. Remember, tick only these options. Do not select internal storage. If you have downloaded the ROM Xiaomi.eu, that would be wiped. So do not select that internal storage here. Only select Davik, data, cache, system and vendor. And then swipe to wipe. And wipe your system. And don't reboot into system here. Go to back. And then now go to install option. Locate wherever your Xiaomi.eu ROM is there. As you can see, we have in the internal storage. If you have an SD card, you can go to select storage, and if you have in computer, you can select this USB OTG, and micro SD card if you have, you can select that also. So wherever you have saved, I have saved in internal storage. That's why I'm in the internal storage here. So click on your ROM and then click on. Do not check that reboot after installation is complete. Don't tick that. Simply swipe to in confirm flash, and this would take a very long time, seriously, and that's why I am gonna, I'm gonna skip this part because it would take extremely long time. As you can see, it is still installing here Xiaomi.eu ROM. It would take a lot of time because it is a Chinese ROM. It would take some time, so I'm gonna skip the video, and when the installation is completed, I'm gonna come back. Okay, let's skip. Finally guys, we've installed the Xiaomi.eu ROM, as you can see. So that screen was gone, that installation was completed, and now what we need to do is to go to wipe and click on the format data and type yes, and then go and format your data. Don't factory reset your device. I tried that once before editing the video, but what happened is that my device gone into my device was booting again and again. It was stuck in boot loop. That's why don't factory reset, simply format the data and reboot system here. So as you can see, Redmi logo has appeared. If you have Poco phone, you will get Poco. If you have Mi, you will get Mi logo. As you can see, I have Redmi 8. That's why it is showing Redmi logo, and it would take some time guys to enter to the system because we have booted it for the first time. So let's wait for a while, and after waiting for a while, I'm gonna skip the video. Okay, so let's wait here. So let's wait. It would take a lot of time. That's why I'm gonna skip the video in 3, 2, 1. So finally guys, we have booted into the Xiaomi.eu ROM, as you can see, MIUI 12. So now let's set up our phone here. So let's choose our language, India, and agree all of the terms and conditions. They are not connect to any network here, nor any Wi-Fi network. So let's accept everything here, and so we are gonna doing the setup guys here. So let's wait for a moment. As you can see, it is showing just a second, and we are gonna set in password, not location, classic, buttons. We're gonna select the buttons. Setup complete. Just a second. Okay. Yep, we have finally booted into Xiaomi.eu ROM. Let me check you in the settings app. As you can see, MIUI by Xiaomi.eu 12.0.3 stable. As you can see, you would get screen time here, and in additional settings, you will get a lot of features here. Control center also you will get 2.0. The time will also show here, and as you can see here, this ROM is working perfect guys. Like seriously, look at the animations here. There's no lag also in this ROM. See, security also, it is opening perfectly. So there are a little bit bugs, but this is the old ROM, but in the you can update if any regions update you would get. For example, if India gets 12.5.1, it is already released. So let me connect to network and show you. So wait a minute here. I'm gonna turn on my Wi-Fi and I'm gonna show you that the ROM is very old. Okay, so as you can see, let me connect to my network here. So let's connect to the network, and we have connected into network, and when we check for updates, and it is showing up to date here. So if you get any OTA update through this, as you can see, we have finally got this update. As you can see, it is lagging a lot because it is a Xiaomi.EU ROM. No, that's why it is very laggy. So let's open it again, the settings app. As you can see, there's an update here. This is the old version 12.0.3, but the 12.5 Xiaomi.EU update has been rolled out through OTA. If you check for updates here, it would take a while to check for the updates. And as you can see, 12 new version found, MIUI 12.2, 12.5.1.0, QC and CNX, and this is a Chinese based ROM. So click on what is new. As you can see, this is the change log. So this ROM 12.5.1 ROM, Xiaomi.EU ROM, you would get a long-term review on this, so stay tuned. And this is the tutorial on how to install Xiaomi.EU ROM on your any device, Redmi, Mi, Poco. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like the video, please like it, share with someone else, and subscribe down below. I'm gonna meet you in that long-term video. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe, and be a tech. Bye bye.